Sun shining, engines humming, adventures calling, here we're coming. Pack the bags and check the map, no turn back, all time for a nap. Us in the front, mom in the back, cruising down this open track. Milo's wagon, Millie's keen, living out our travel dream. Oh, motorhome adventure, wild and free, with the open road for you and me. From sandy shores to mountains high, underneath the big blue sky. First stop the beach, the waves crash near. Milo chasing seagulls, banishing all fear. Millie digging tunnels, a sandy delight. We're living the good life, morning, noon and night. Oh, motorhome adventure, wild and free, with the open road for you and me. From sandy shores to mountains high, underneath the big blue sky. Windows down, the wind it blows. Where this journey takes us, nobody knows. But with our family and our furry crew, every moment feels brand new. Next to fishing lake, the water's so still, casting out our lines with a happy thrill. Camping under stars, a fire burning bright, sharing stories through the fading light. Oh, motorhome adventure, wild and free, with the open road for you and me. From sandy shores to mountains high, underneath the big blue sky. Motorhome rolling, day is done, memories made, we've had such fun. Milo, Millie, Mom and us, this adventure's made of pure gold dust.